So, you've got a shiny new neon device, but you're not quite sure how to cast your favorite shows and movies to your TV? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to cast from your neon device to your big screen. Understanding the basics. Before we dive into the steps, let's quickly understand what casting is. It's essentially mirroring your device's screen onto a larger display, like your TV. This way, you can enjoy your content on a bigger, better screen. Step-by-step guide. Ensure connectivity. Device and TV. Make sure both your neon device and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. HDMI cable, optional if your TV supports it. You can also use an HDMI cable for a direct connection. This can often provide a more stable and higher quality connection. Activate casting on your TV. Smart TV. If you have a smart TV, look for a cast or screen mirroring option in your TV settings or on your remote control. Streaming device. If you're using a streaming device like a Chromecast or Roku, you'll need to activate the casting feature on that device. Start casting from your neon device. Open the app. Open the app on your neon device that you want to cast. Look for the cast icon. This icon usually looks like a screen with a Wi-Fi symbol. Tap on it. Select your device. A list of available devices should appear. Select your TV or streaming device from the list. Troubleshooting tips. If you encounter any issues during the casting process, here are some troubleshooting tips. Network connection. Ensure a strong Wi-Fi connection for both devices. Device compatibility. Check if your neon device and TV are compatible with each other. App version. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app you're trying to cast. Restart devices. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix unexpected issues. Check for updates. Keep your neon device and TV software updated to the latest version. Additional tips. Optimize your network. For the best casting experience, consider using a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. App-specific settings. Some apps have specific settings related to casting. Explore these settings for optimal performance. HDMI cable. If you're experiencing lag or buffering, try using an HDMI cable for a direct connection. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.